The Hindu festival of lights, known as Deepavali or Diwali, is the biggest and the brightest of all festivals celebrated in India as well as by the Hindus all around the world on 15th day of Kartik month of Hindu calendar. Every year, our Holy Cross English Primary School celebrates the festival of Diwali with zeal and enthusiasm. Under the able guidance of our respected Sister Elsie, the headmistress of our school, all the staff members and students of our school participates in the celebration of Diwali festival with great joy. On this day, the school prays and reflects on the significance of Diwali festival. Several programs are conducted to spread the joy and happiness of the day. The word Diwali or Deepavali in Sanskrit means a row of lamps. The Diwali festival's root lie in the Hindu scriptures, and there are many stories associated with the celebrations of Diwali festival. Now, let us listen to the history and significance of Diwali festival. Diwali celebrations symbolize the triumph of Rama, the Lord of Virtue, over the demon Ravana, as well as the return of Lord Rama to his kingdom Ayodhya after 14 years of exile, and was welcomed with rows of diyas throughout the kingdom Ayodhya. Diwali celebrations also symbolize the victory of Lord Krishna over King Narkasura, a king who had aligned himself with a demon, causing King Narkasura turn evil, and also Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, along with the wealth of power, strength, knowledge and peace, is also said walked onto the earth and blessed people. Along with Hindus, Sikh, Jains and Buddhists also celebrate Diwali festival, but mark different events and stories. However, they all symbolize the victory of good over evil. Sikh people celebrates Bandi Chor Divas on Diwali day. They light the candles at Gurudwaras in remembrance of their sixth Guru Har Gobind Sahib, who entered the dark world of the prisoners and lit up their lives with love and freedom. Festival Diwali has a very special significance in Jainism. It marks the anniversary of Nirvana, final release or liberation of Lord Mahavira's soul. Buddhists celebrates Diwali festival to mark return of Lord Gautam Buddha after 18 years to Kapilavastu with followers on this day. Then Diwali was celebrated burning millions of lamps in their reception by the citizens of Kapilavastu. For Hindus, Diwali festival often signifies the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after his 14 years of exile and victory over demon Ravana. Lord Rama, on that special day, was welcomed to the kingdom of Ayodhya with rows of diyas lighted throughout the kingdom. Thus, the tradition of lighting oil lamps on Diwali signifies the victory of good over evil and freedom from spiritual darkness. And therefore, there is a reason that Diwali or Deepavali is the most popular Indian scintillating festival, embracing and enveloping all, as festival Diwali is 5 days of celebrations which literally illuminates the country with its brilliance and dazzles people with its joy. Each of the 5 days in the festival of Diwali is marked with different traditions, but what remains constant is the celebration of life, its enjoyment, and a sense of goodness. The first day of Diwali festival is called Dhanteras or Dhanvantari Triyodashi, which is the official beginning of the Diwali festivities. The 13th lunar day of Krishna Paksha, the dark fourth night of the month of Kartik, is Dhanteras, which is a special day. On this day, Lord Dhanvantari is believed to come out of the ocean with Ayurveda, the science of medicine, for the benefit of mankind. Hindus consider Dhanvantari Triyodashi a very auspicious day. People worship Lord Kuber, the Hindu god of riches, and Lord Ganesha, the god of auspicious beginning, on this day, and usually buy gold, silver, precious stones, and ornaments, as they are known to bring good luck and prosperity in the future life. The second day of Diwali week is called Narak Chaturdasi or Choti Diwali. According to Hindu mythology, on this day, Lord Krishna had defeated a demon king, Narakasura, who was the ruler of Prayag Jodhpur and had imprisoned 16,000 daughters of God. Lord Krishna destroyed the demon king Narakasur, freed all the captive princes, and returned home victorious. And thus, this day is commemorated to mark his triumph over the devil Narakasura. However, in modern times, on Narak Chaturdasi, Hindus wake up early in the morning, take a holy bath, and in the evening visit each other's house, exchanging gifts and sweets. The third day of Diwali festival is known as Lakshmi Pujan, the most important day among the 5 days of Diwali festival. Lakshmi Pujan is dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth, fortune, and prosperity. Lakshmi Mata, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped as Mahalakshmi with God Ganesha, the god of auspicious beginnings with light. According to Hindu legends, on this day, Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, visits her devotees and bestows gifts and blessings upon each one of them. To welcome the goddess, devotees clean their houses, decorate them with lights, prepare sweet delicacies as offerings. Devotees believe the happier Lakshmi is with the visit, the more she blesses the family with health and wealth. This day also symbolizes the return of Lord Rama to his kingdom Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and was welcomed with rows of diyas. The day after Diwali is the first day of the bright fortnight of the lunar solar calendar. It is usually called as Annakut, Diwali Padwa, Govardhan Puja and Bali Pratipada. According to one tradition, the day is associated with the story of demon king Bali's defeat at the hands of Lord Vishnu's avatar Vamana. As the king Bali had a great affection for his people, he gains permission to visit the kingdom once a year. Since then, the day is celebrated as Bali Pratipada, the homecoming of King Bali. In the northern states of India, it is celebrated as Govardhan Puja, honoring the legend of the Hindu god Krishna, saving the cowherd and farming communities from floods triggered by Indra's anger, which he accomplished by lifting the Govardhan mountain. On this day, people make a small mound, usually of cow dung, and worship it. This day ritually is also celebrated as Diwali Padwa, the bond between the wife and husband. The agricultural symbolism of this day is also observed as Annakut, mountain of food made of 100 sweet dishes and offered to Lord Krishna, which is then distributed among poor people. While in the western states of India, this day is celebrated as Bestu Baras, the New Year. People visit temples for seeking God's blessings and exchange sweets. Falling traditionally on the second day of new moon is Bhai Dooj or Bhau Beez, celebrates the unconditional bond between brothers and sisters. In the legends, it is said that Yamraj, the god of death, visited his sister Yami on this day. Yami welcomed him with an aarti and applied tilak on his forehead. Yamraj presented Yami with a gift that signified his love and affection towards her. Yamraj, moved by his sister's affection, declared that any brother who would receive an aarti and tilak from his sister on this day should never be afraid of death. Some people also believe that on this day, Lord Krishna visited his sister Subhadra after killing the demon Narkasura. Subhadra welcomed him with tilak on his forehead, flowers and sweets. To mark this occasion, women across India invite their brothers and tilak on their brother's forehead along with Aarti. This tilak signifies the sisters' sincerest prayers for the long and happy life of a brother and treats them with gifts and sweets. Bhai Dooj or Bhau-Beej marks the end of the celebration of pure joy, radiance and lights of Diwali festival. During Diwali festival, with all lights and diyas, eradicating dark shadows and evil, and all the prayers and love among people create a wonderful atmosphere full of goodness and purity. Festival Diwali marks the birth of a new and rejuvenated soul and refreshed mind, which charges up a person to make changes as a healthy, ethical individual who will be more efficient in his work and will also be spiritually advanced. A celebration of prosperity, Diwali gives us the strength and the zeal to carry on with our work, goodwill for the rest of the year, and thus promising us success and prosperity. People from all religions, castes, and backgrounds are united during the occasion of Diwali festival, and there are celebrations happening all around. Whether it is changing our lifestyle into a more healthier one or becoming a better person, Festival Diwali is an auspicious occasion to start on the new changes in life. Festival Diwali is not just the fun-filled surprises and gifts. Diwali is also a time to reflect on one's life, past deeds, and making the right changes for the upcoming year.
For some people, Diwali celebrations also coincides with good harvest and New Year celebration, as Diwali is a festival of unique tradition and new beginnings that fills our life with good, hope, love and peace. During Diwali celebrations, we are meant to feel that we decorate our home with diya and light in anticipation of God's arrival in our homes and in our hearts. Thank you. Happy Diwali. In addition to the cultural significance and celebrations, Diwali festival also carries a deep philosophical meaning. Light, that is Prakash, symbolizes God, goodness and knowledge, whereas darkness, that is Tam, symbolizes evil, ignorance and Maya. The more we bring God into our heart, the more His divine light shine within us and filling our life with true joy. Thank you. Good morning, respected Sister Elsie, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, Stuti Valecha, from class 3rd A, is here to deliver my speech on Diwali. Diwali festival is India's biggest and main festival. It is festival of lights and joy. Diwali festival also reminds us to illumine our intellects with the light of knowledge of God and dispel the darkness of material conditioning. May God bless everyone and keep safe from this coronavirus. Thank you and safe Diwali to all. Happy and safe Diwali.
खुशियों संगे नबी हर हाय हयो हाय हाय रंगी बारोल हमी खुशियों संगे नबी हर हाय हयो हाय हाय आशानी के दिखलाए मंगली चढ़ा हाय हाय हाय
हे शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की बहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई 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 शहनाई
रास रुचिनो साज सजिनो शुभ घड़ी चलावी आछा आछा टमटमाटा शमळाव चलावी
सपनों की बहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई
करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो।
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
हाथों में लेकर पूजा की थाली, लक्ष्मी जी की आरती उतारे।
माथे पे अपने तिलक लगाए, आज अपने भाग हम सवारे।
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी।
सबको यही देती संदेशा।
दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
Along with all rituals, significance, and different stories of Diwali festival, the illumination of homes with lights and the skies with firecrackers is an expression of obeisance to the heaven for the attainment of health, wealth, knowledge, peace, and prosperity. Another possible reason has a more significant basis. The fumes produced by crackers kill a lot of insects and mosquitoes found in plenty after the rainy season. But all these years, the adrenaline rush, the heights of excitement while bursting crackers had no comparison. From elderly to kids, we all indulged in this crackers full Diwali, which fills the air with poisonous gases, pollutes our environment, hampers our health, causing irreparable damage. तो आइए इस साल हम सभी पटाखों का विस्फोट न करके हमारे अतीत के नकारात्मक बुरी भावनाओं का, मन का क्रोध, ईर्ष्या, भय, इन सभी का विस्फोट करते हैं। आइए हम सभी प्रेम, शांति, आनंद के साथ दिवाली का जश्न मनाते हैं। आपका चरित्र, आपकी शांति और आपका आत्मविश्वास वास्तविक दौलत है। व्यक्ति के अवगुण रूपी पटाखों का विस्फोट करना सही मायने में दिवाली है। A more productive and fun-filling way of celebrating Diwali this year would be to bring happiness in the lives of the lesser privileged. Let us make this Diwali festival an enjoyable experience for every living being, as much as it is for us. After all, there is no joy than the joy of making others happy. And in this time of uncertainty, may this Diwali festival offer rays of hope for our growth and renewal. Hope that we will come out of this unprecedented time stronger and wiser. No matter what emotions we are experiencing during this surreal time, may this Diwali be the change to know that it is possible to build a foundation of new hope, of our survival, peace, prosperity, and happiness to the mankind.